Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and after that scroll here to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll set the ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone you should swipe this dark dot to the right side with your finger by this way. And that's it. Also, we got the second way how we can do that by using the volume buttons here on the left side of our device. But first, be sure in advanced settings here in volume button function that you have here selected the ringtone volume, not the media, because if you got selected the media volume, you will switch the medias, not the ringtone, with the volume buttons. So after that, just press your up volume button, and by this way you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also we can do it by third way, just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then with your finger just slide up this volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.